So what really did come first, the chicken or the egg? Does it matter? I don't think so, because I like eggs. This is an egg, and I can tell you it came from a chicken. And I've got some chickens that I need to build a chicken tractor for. What do you want, doggies? You want an egg? Dogs, no eggs are good. Alright, I got lumber and I'm going to build this chicken tractor. A chicken tractor is a basically little cage for your chickens. One end keeps them out of the weather, the other end is kind of open with, chicken wire in it. Hey! I'm trying to make a video here. Settle down. Okay, anyway, farm animals. The chicken tractor, you can move it around the yard. That's why they call it a tractor. So let's get started making this here chicken tractor. The chicken tractor's done. The little chickies are loving it in there. My paint's still a little bit wet. So now this thing can go outside or inside, depending on the weather. If I want to bring them in here at night, keep them a little bit warm. They're still tiny, so they got to stay warm. But I can move this thing around pretty easily. Now it sits down on the ground flat, so they can't get out. Things can't get in to get them. But if I want to move it, I just flip the wheels over here. They're on some simple levers, which raises it up about 1.5 inches, maybe more. Now the whole thing can roll around on wheels. So now we can roll it outside and see what they think of the great outdoors. Ready to go outside, chickies? And here's the chicken tractor outside. Yep, this is its home during the day. While I'm at work, I wheel it out here. Yeah, I'll put it in different parts of the yard. I'll probably get a garden area going over in here somewhere at some point. And I'll move it around there and help fertilize the soil before I plant things. So let's take a look inside this here chicken tractor at the biddies. That's what everybody calls them here in North Carolina. Little chickens are known as biddies. Hello, biddies. There they are, hanging out indoors. They're good little biddies. And they got their little lamp here for nighttime. I don't have it plugged in at the moment. They don't really need it during the day. Got their water in there and their food, all that stuff. And you can close the lid on it. That's how you see you later, little bitties. So that's it's about how simple it is. And the wheel is a pretty simple mechanism so that it can be moved around. You just flip this up center, and then it's off the ground on that side. And you can roll it around. And you get it where you want it. Flip it back the other way and it's down. Same thing on the back. That lets it roll around. That's why it's called a tractor. So there you go. Go build yourself one. Get some chickens and have some eggs. Happy Easter.